Rice prices come tumbling down once the latest batch of imported grains begins to flood the market. And the country's farmers need not worry or dread about lower farm gate prices for their unhusked grains or palay. The NFA will fill in the gap to ensure they get a fair deal on their yield. Our Clazel Pardilla tells us more.
As the rice harvest season begins, the Federation of Free Farmers has expressed concerns about the impact of imported rice entering the country at reduced tariffs.
Umpisa pa lang ng anihan, bumabagsak na kaagad yung presyo. Yung last harvest season, umabot pa kasi siya ng mga 27, 29, dry palay. Sa ngayon, ang equivalent na dry price, naglalaro ng 23 to 25. Medyo manipis na, no? Kasi nagtaasan yung mga inputs nila, yung abono, yung gasolina para sa irrigation. And then magre-recover pa lang sana sila sa El Nino.
From January to September this year, more than 3 million metric tons of imported rice have arrived in the Philippines. Approximately 26.7% or 800,000 metric tons of this total began to enter the country in June, following the issuance of an executive order that lowered tariffs on imported rice. The Federation of Free Farmers warns that if this trend continues and coincides with the peak of the harvest season, it could severely impact local farmers.
October, November, dahil yan yung main harvest period. Kung ang dami-dami na nga inaani locally, sabayan mo pa ng murang imports dahil binabaan mo yung tariff, ang resulta niyan, oversupply. No? Sobra-sobra ang supply sa merkado, babagsak pa lalo ang presyo ng palay. Ibalik nila yung tarifa sa 35%. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan na magpapasok pa ng imports at that time dahil napakaraming inaani.
Subject naman talaga sa discussion at si Secretary mismo yung nag-recommend na there will be kumbaga magkaroon ng periodic review which is every 4 months during the implementation ng EO 62. But this is a very early stage pa to really determine yung impact ng EO 62 sa pricing at sa effects sa farm gate price.
The National Food Authority has pledged to purchase farmers' harvests at fair prices. The agency has an additional 11 billion pesos in funding, which will suffice to buy over 7 million sacks of palay in the last quarter of the year.
I think yung National Food Authority naman has been consistent, no, in saying that we will support the farmers, no. In fact, right now, kahit sabihin natin dumadating na, we're still buying at 23 pesos per kilo ng fresh, no. And then we buy as high as 30 sa clean and dry. So, yun lang yung maaasahan ng farmers natin from the NFA. Yung price na yun is more than enough for them to kumita ng maganda.
The palay procured by the NFA from the farmers is used for government relief operations during disasters. The Department of Agriculture has previously reported of 2 million sacks of rice stored in NFA warehouses across the country. This is part of the preparations of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s administration for La Nina and to ensure a sufficient supply of rice in times of emergencies or calamities. Clazel Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.